Hello and welcome to Minigun Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and perform automatic repairs in Windows 11. And I think the procedure is also pretty much the same even in Windows 10. So if you are, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, just follow, and I'm sure by the end of this video, you should be able to troubleshoot and uh, perform your automatic repairs in case your PC has a problem or any kind of if the Windows or the operating system is not running very well. You would ask me, why is this important? Because normal circumstance, anytime your PC has a problem, it automatically switches to the advanced startup menu option. But sometimes it's not always the case. Okay, sometimes, like for instance, I noticed what actually pushed me to even start making videos about this problem is when I started using Windows 11. I noticed that sometimes in Windows 11, when I use the PC for quite a long time without shutting it down or restarting it, sometimes when I open the browser would just open multiple times. And I thought it was maybe a problem with Firefox. I switched to Edge, and the same problem kept on recurring. Then I started, as soon as I performed, I just went to the advanced startup menu options, and then I, I troubleshooted and you know ran diagnosis and um automatically repaired the Windows. All that stopped. So in time it occurs, you just do that troubleshooting and you'll be able to you'll be fine. Okay. So how do we do that? It's very simple. Simply click on the start menu here. Then you click on the gear icon here, settings, and then you come and click on system. Now this is for Windows 11. For Windows 10, you may have to search inside here, advanced startup. So you may have to search in here, advanced startup. That's for Windows. That's for Windows 10. For Windows 11, it's very simple. Just click on system. You scroll down and you find recovery. So click on recovery, and then after which, if you would like um, to reset your PC, that is assuming, for instance, you want to reinstall Windows, and you want to clear everything and then reinstall Windows. That's your cup of tea. Then sorry to say that in that case, you can click on reset this PC. But please note that by so doing, you are going to lose all your data. So if you want to do that, then you need to have some backup. You need to export your data or whatever. That is, if that's why if you want to reinstall Windows, that is the option for you. If not, if you just want to um, go to the advanced startup menu option so that you can either boot from a drive or USB, or maybe you can actually do troubleshooting and diagnosing and automatic repairs, then you click on the advanced setup or startup, sorry, menu here. So it's very simple. Since my PC is since after restarting the PC would go off, so it's important that I continue the recording with my iPhone just to show you what happens after I click on restart. So first of all, you click on restart now. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Like I said, my PC, I was using the screen recorder app to record a video. So when I stopped at that point, I had to use my phone to continue the recording. So at this point, as you can see, I will just click on restart now. And then when I click on restart now, they're saying please wait. So this would take us straight to a blue screen called the advanced startup options menu. or you can actually boot your PC from a bootable device or do whatever that you want to do. So over here, as you can see, we have what? Choose an option. If you want to exit this blue screen and go back to your Windows, initial Windows, then you can just do that right here. Okay, but if you want to boot from a bootable device, then you have this. You can also turn off your PC. But this is now for what? The last option is for troubleshooting and for diagnosing and automatic repairs, right? So you click on this troubleshoot option here, and then once again when you click on troubleshoot, this will show up again. Do you want to reset your PC? Like I told you before, do not choose this option unless you actually want to reset your PC, meaning you want to reinstall Windows. So simply click on advanced options. Then when you click on advanced options, you have several options here. We will choose what? Startup repair, for our PC to do the automatic repairing of the Windows. So I'll just go ahead and click on startup repair. Then the PC is it's now in diagnosing phase, and it'll try to diagnose anything that may be wrong with my computer. Now, after that, if some issues were found, automatically you would have had automatic repairing taking place to fix those issues found in the operating system. But in my case, my PC never had any issues, so it's saying what? Startup repair couldn't repair your PC. That doesn't mean my PC has any problem. So what I would do at this point is what? To just shut down my PC and then restart. But if you want, you could also click on advanced options if you want to, but clicking on advanced options would bring us back to what? The advanced startup options menu. So just repeat the same thing, troubleshoot, click on advanced options, and then click on startup repair. Let's see what happens. Okay, that brings us back here, and then from here you just go ahead and click on shutdown. So after clicking on shutdown, my PC has been shut down, and then I will start it by clicking on the power button once again. So just click on the power button and then wait and see what happens. Okay, now after that, my PC has restarted, as you can see, and then I just use my fingerprint to log in once again. And normally the troubleshooting and then the automatic repairs have been done. If at all my PC had a problem, these problems would be fixed by now. So hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.